Hello and welcome to Microsoft Excel tutorial from IT. And this is tutorial number 51, and in this tutorial we're going to talk about a function called as CountIf, and as you can get from the name, it will be doing counting but based on some conditions. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all, let's get the name of students, and I have a website over here, randomnamegenerator.info. I'll be getting the names from here and paste it over here, and from here you can see that I'm getting that formatting from that website. I don't want that, so I'll press on control and just say match destination formatting, and all the formatting is gone. Now the problem over here, I'm getting these numbers. I need to get rid of these numbers. Guess how can we do that? Yes, we can use flash fill. So just copy and paste over here and get rid of the number and space, and Control E is the shortcut for flash fill, or you can go to the editing, fill, and select flash fill from here. Perfect. Now we don't want this first column, just right click and delete that, and that's it. Now what we want is the days. So I say the school starts from Monday, so you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, 5 days. And I want to have the attendance over here, so I'll just put for all of these guys present, Control Enter, and some guys randomly they will be absent. I type A, Control Enter, and these are all absent. Now over here we want to calculate that how many total present. So I can use equals to CountIf from here, or you can use the insert function if you don't want to type the function insert, and you can search over here for CountIf, and I'm seeing over here. Click on OK, and then over here what it requires is what range you want to do the counting on and what is your criteria. So I want to do the counting on all this 5 days, and my criteria is that I'm looking for capital P tab. So you can see as soon as I put tab, it puts double quotes, and click on OK, and I want to fill it for other guys also. So this is how I can use the CountIf. Let's do how many are absent equals to total number of days minus present, autofill, and that's done. So this is how I can use this CountIf function when I'm looking for exact match. Now in some cases maybe you don't want to look for exact match, you want to use some relational operators. So let's take one more example. So here I have one more sheet where I have the name of employees, and all these employees I want to find the guys, those who are hired, those who are working since more than 20 years. So I want to have the hire date, and I'll be using a function to get the random values. So I select all these, equals to rand between is the function to generate the random numbers between two numbers. So I'm going to use 1st January 1990 and today's date. Control semicolon is the shortcut for today's date. Control Enter, Control C, Control Alter V, and paste the value, so I get rid of the formula. This is formatted as number. Control Shift 3, it will format as the date. Now I want to find out the guys, those who are working since more than 20 years. I can find the tenure years of service, and that years of service is gonna be today's date minus this date divided by 365. So today's date is control semicolon, or you can use function also, so you can use as of now today's date. So equals to parenthesis current date minus hire date parenthesis close divided by 365, enter, and I can fill it down. And I don't want, now I can see over here the problem. If you remember, we talked about this thing. As I'm moving down, the reference to this date is moving down, so I want to fix that to row number 2. So what I need to do is this cell, press F4, and now it is fixed reference. Now double click to fill it down. I don't want these decimal places, so I can just reduce those decimal places, decrease decimal places. So this is what I want. Okay, so now I want to count how many guys they are working since more than 20 years. So more than 20 years, and for that I'm going to use again the CountIf. So insert a function CountIf, and what is the range? This is the range that I want to do counting on, And what is the criteria? So in this particular case, I'm not looking for exact value, so I'm going to use relational operator. So greater than equal to 20, so is more than equal to 20, and you can see you started getting the result 4. Clicking on OK, and you get over here 4. So it's working perfectly fine. Now in some cases, maybe that whatever search criteria is there, that is somewhere inside the cell. So if I say tenure, and we have tenure, suppose I type over here 10 years, and then I want to do the calculation based on that. So in this case, what you're going to do is you insert CountIf, and the range is this. And over here you can see that because I need to have a relationship operator, and the value will be coming from this cell, so I need to use the concatenation operator. So I put double quotes, greater than equal to, double quotes closed, ampersand is used for joining two strings, and then I click on this cell. So it's gonna make something like this, greater than equal to, and this 10 is coming from this cell. So this is how we can do the calculation. I click on OK, and you get the result 7. So this is how we can use the CountIf using the relationship operator. So hope you like this video. If you have any other questions or comments, please post in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.